Let's say we wanted to generate a report based on payments received sub-summarized by rendering provider within the year 2010. We'll begin at the Enhanced tab, the ENH tab. It has almost all the options we need to make this query. Clear the query. We're only interested in payments that have been applied against line charges. Our TR code for that is PL. So we're going to select PLs only. The reason for this is that PLs will be the only items which will be attached to a provider. Actual payments are not specifically related to any provider. However, once they are applied to a charge line, they get the rendering provider from the charge line. Say we also want to set the year 2010. So we've set our criteria as line level payments for the year 2010. We'll now perform the find. These are all of our line level payments for 2010. Say we want to set up a report for this, we'll go into our report criteria and sub-summarize this by rendering provider. You can also sort the list without getting a sub-summary at that level. In here, we'll put in the date. So we'll be sub-summarizing by rendering provider and sorting by the date. We'll choose the provider applied payments report. We'll select revenue by provider as it's already in there, and we'll run the report. This would be our report broken down by rendering provider. If we wish to save this report, we'd go up and click on the green disk icon and title this. This query is now saved. If you cleared the query out and you wanted to load the query, by typing all or 3 periods, you will find all of the queries or the standard type ahead method and narrow your list of queries that you're searching for. We'll select the Provider Revenue Report 2010 and then run the query by clicking on the blue down arrow. This will perform the query based on the values we had originally set. If we go back in here, we'll see we have our values 2010 PL, and we'll see that our report criteria is set accordingly. The report that we wish to view is reselected in here and the title accordingly. Thus, if we run the report, we'll get the same report.